All right, good morning, everybody. It is November 19th, Thursday. So here we are with that's getting ready for a trade, just not yet. But I did have this one ready to go, and unfortunately, my computer, it's actually not marked up quite right. My computer turned off. It decided to not turn off all the way, just whatever, like almost like it reset itself. So I wasn't able to take advantage of this trade, and as a result, we missed out on the first winner of the day. But this is NUGT, and it was part of the modified play, and would have been a sweet little quick winner right there. And yep, didn't get to take it, so that's too bad. So we'll keep an eye on what else is on the board, and we'll see how the rest of the day shapes up. All right, so we missed that first trade on NUG, unfortunately. But we do have this one setting up, so hopefully this will also be a winner. Just every time I miss a winner, I know losers are coming, so makes you a little nervous. But we're going to jump into this in about 20 seconds. We're going to short on a modified play with the with QCOM here. Okay, there we go. Should be in and marking it up. So we do have a bit of a tower candle here, so there may be some retracement. But we're in anyway, just in case. And a tower candle defined by the algorithm switching inside of the candle. Okay, so I wasn't paying attention in that few seconds, and look at this thing just ripping right down. So I'm going to put my stop in here, 146.97. Too bad I missed out on that 2-to-1 right there, but maybe we could still get it. So 146.97. I'm just going to grab this. And now I want to wait because I feel like this huge candle retrace is going to come back down. How much time do we got here? 10:13. Yes, I'm getting a little bit greedy right now, and I shouldn't. I should just take it. I should just take it off the table. Man, twice today I got boned. First time my computer shut down on me, and this time I answered a text message, and look at what happened in that time. Just goes to show. That's why you shouldn't text and drive. Man. All right, we're gonna be greedy, and we're just gonna hang out here and see. That's a pretty big rejection. That's pretty bullish. This might just turn around. We'll see. If this rejects all the way back up, that'll be very bullish. But we got a minute left to let this just come all the way back down and start looking for new lows. I'll at least go to break even. I won't be that stupid. So normally if I'm not going to pay attention because I'm going to walk out, have breakfast or whatever, I'll do an OCO order in so my targets can get hit. But I didn't think answering a text message this would happen in that time. So, yep, it might be one of those days. Might be one of those days. Okay, so with that candle closing, I should have stopped out right there. We hit 2-to-1. This candle closed. I should just stop out. It did come all the way back to the bottom of the day here, and so this could be forming a W. This could come all the way back up, and then which point I would get stopped out, or it could just drop like it's doing now. So we'll see what happens here. I'm gonna hang out a little bit. I don't know, with that drop, I should move it down. I'm getting a second chance. I'm gonna take it. I'm not gonna be an idiot. All right, so there we go. So now we got our stop in. Looking at the spread, we got about 10 or 15 cents. I'd like to move this down a little more. All right, there we go. So we're way covered with the spread. So I got my 1-to-1 target. Now I can get some bonus money if I'd like, but I'm gonna give this thing a chance to continue to sell off, and then I'll trail it. Or if it comes back up, all good. We got our 1-to-1. Almost got greedy. Almost got greedy and said I'm just gonna wait right here until this makes new lows, which it might do, but I can't be greedy. I gotta follow the rules, and it's a numbers game. At the end of the year, I'm making money by following the rules, not by getting greedy and hoping. How about Tesla today? If you guys haven't seen that, that thing's been rocking. All right, there we go. So we're out. We're 50 cents shy of our 20 bucks. So I tried to account for that spread. I didn't account for it enough. So there we go. So 1950. So yeah. So hopefully we can. Man, it's too bad we missed out on NUG. I'm gonna look at that real quick. Yep, I missed out on that one. All right, looking for another trade. All right, so we got CVS setting up here for a trade. Looks like a modified play here, almost a regular algorithm play. So let this thing switch again, and then we'll see what our markup is. All right, so it looks like it's about 45 cents roughly. So come to the calculator. Let's put 45 in there. So 44 shares. 44. Enter. And then we got about a minute left. If this closes like this, then we'll go ahead and short it on a modified play. Okay, we got 9 seconds left. And we're going to short this thing. It's a big candle. 8. All right, short. Mark it up. Let's put our stop in. 66.14. All right, so coming into the target right now, we're looking for 65.24. We're there. I'm going to give it a second to break through and then move my stop there. The spread is only 2 cents, so I just got to give it about 2 cent room. Candle closed though, so we're just going to go ahead and take this trade, I believe. Yeah. I'll give it 1 second. Oh, come on. All right, so I put my stop right there. So we're going to just miss out on a full trade here if this backs up a little bit. Come on, go down a little bit. Let me in. Let me in. Go down. Looking for 24, and we got 26. So missed it by 2 pennies, 2 or 3 pennies. So we almost got our 20 on there. So we're a little short today on our target. 1950 on that one and 1848 on this one. We have a little reserve. Sorry about that. We have a little reserve in our scaling ladder here. Let's go over that scaling ladder. So we got backed up, right, on that one day, and then we made one back. So we just made 2 more back plus $1 there. So as the day goes on, we'll see how it rolls out. And then if we don't make, additional there, we have $1 here we can pull and turn this into, 1950, and then almost give us $20. So, yep. And so far we're moving it up 2 more steps, slowly getting back to where we were. It's the thing, when you take a big losing day, sometimes you just gotta slowly chip away at recovery. You try to get it all back in one chunk, and you can have a much bigger day. So just try to be patient and get back piece at a time, and that's how trading is. You get on a good winning streak, and then you could have one really big day where just everything is a loser that day. Your whole portfolio is just not working. Well, then it looks like a big setback, and then you get back on another winning streak, and then it slowly recovers, and it's that wave up and down, up and down. You have your peaks and your troughs, and at the end of the year, as long as your peaks averaged higher than your troughs, then I'm making money. So that's basically, it's a numbers game that works like that. So, and that's with everything. That's with my futures trading. That's with my day trading. That's with my swing trading. Just play the numbers, and yeah, that's basically how it all works out. So, all right, we'll see if we have any more trades that pop up today. We burned that first one, we didn't get it, and we just got those other 2. So and then I have 2 from my algorithm, which they don't look like they're setting up at all right now. We'll see if they can do it in the next couple hours. And then I got one more modified play. Again, we'll see if it can do it in the next couple hours. If not, that'll be your day. I'll bring it to you if it happens. All right, so here we are with TWOU on a modified play potential. So we have about 2.5 minutes left for this candle closes. So it just switched, and it looked like about 40 cents. I'm going to put that in the calendar, or in the calculator. If it switches again, we'll double check it. So 0.4. So 50 shares. That's what I'm looking at. So I'll boost this up to 50. Enter. All right, cool. So once that switches again, we'll double check it. $34.31 and 90. So yeah, about 41 cents. So we're good. We'll stick with our 50 shares. We're going to short this thing. ETB means I can short it, and we got about a minute and a half left to short it. And if you can click that like button, that thumbs up, that would definitely help me out a lot with YouTube. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel already, and you subscribe and hit the bell icon, you can get notified of new videos that I post, whether they're day trade, live day trade uploads, or futures trades, or just stock market information and so forth. So if you subscribe, hit that like button and that bell icon, that would be awesome. All right, so we got about a minute left, and we'll come back if this activates. Okay, so here we are. We got 5 seconds. I'm going to short 50 shares. in 5, 4, 3, 2, shorting. All right, we'll mark it up. Find our stop. This is a modified play, not part of the normal day trading strategy. 34.21, make it break it. All right, traders, so we basically hit most of the way to our target here. Not quite 90%, but we're really close. I'm tempted to go ahead and move my stop to break even on this. I think I'm going to do that for today. Since I know I'm a little off my game today, I'm just going to go ahead and move that stop to break even plus a couple bucks. What's the spread? Almost 10 cents. All right, well, if we take a loss on the spread, we take a loss on the spread. All right, so there we go. All right, so there we go. So we got stopped out for a loss. Man, 50-cent loss. I was hoping to have a green trade. Then I can say I had 3 green trades today. And now I got to say I had 2 greens and a red. Oh, that's how it happens. I should have put a little bit more. We were like 90% of the way here, and that's when I should have definitely added a little more. But I wasn't paying attention. It's just one of those days for me today, and that's why I immediately put my stop in a little early, just because I knew that I might get caught today. So that's how it goes. So today I'm going to shut it down. That's the end of the day for me. It's actually like 2 o'clock. So yeah, I'm over my normal trading hours. And then how about Tesla? Let me pull that up. Tesla's rocking right now. Let's just type it. There's Tesla having an awesome, let's go to the daily. 1 year, 1 day. Zoom out. Check it out. Tesla's looking good. Breaking new 52-week high. Had this nice consolidation happening here. Broke out of that consolidation and ripping. So this was alerted out to my swing trade members already. So they're, whoever is on my swing trade alert list is already in it and making some money. So in my small account, not my family account, we took a small position as I always do whenever I alert something. So we were making a little bit of money with that small position already, which is pretty sweet. But yeah, Tesla's looking pretty awesome. And then long term, I saw an interview with Elon Musk talking about Tesla airplanes having commercial airliners that are all electric and super fast. So I can't wait for that. He was saying that it looks like maybe a year away. They're testing the batteries that they're going to need for that kind of power. And they think they're maybe a year or so away from being able to get that really rolling. So Tesla's looking like it's got a pretty bright future. And then I was reading an article on Tesla that was saying that they're not just a car company, they're a software company for electrical type of things. So, and then their software is going to be included in the Tesla brand and Tesla name. So that will start reporting to the earnings as well. So that's going to be pretty epic, especially if other electric car companies are coming online and then they're buying Tesla software to run their vehicles. Could be pretty awesome. So Tesla would own basically a little bit of every electric car sold if they did that. So a lot of possibility here with this company in the future. I do own it right now, as you can see on the board, and I also own it in my other account. Our target is right here, 528. So hopefully we can get to that 528 before retracement takes place. And then after retracement, we'll see if the algorithm gives us another alert and be back in. This is not the algorithm I use for swing trading. It's a completely different algorithm, which over at 2020daytrader.com, you can learn more about my algorithms. All my trading courses are free. And then if you decide you want to do one of them, like trade, swing trade, or futures, or whatever it might be, you can purchase a corresponding algorithm if you'd like and trade off the algorithm. Not necessarily directly off the algorithm, but it gives you high probability setups and all that stuff. So you just have to decide whether or not it's still the right trade for you or not. Because I don't trade every trade the algorithm gives me. You know, if it doesn't fit my trading plan, I don't trade it. So it has to fit the trading plan. So anyway, all that stuff is over at 2020daytrader.com. All right, everybody, have an awesome day, and we'll see you tomorrow, Friday.